You are looking at one of the most unusual units of the Second World War, the East Turkic Waffen-SS. This swearing-in ceremony is led by Wilhelm Harun el-Raschid Bey, a German commander who converted to Islam to lead this specific division. The soldiers you see here are not German. They are Turkic volunteers, Uzbeks, Kazakhs and Tatars, recruited by the Nazis to fight against the Soviet Union. Notice the unique blend of traditions. This is a Nazi military ceremony, but it is being conducted with Islamic rites. It is a powerful piece of evidence showing how, in the final desperate stages of the war, the regime tried to weaponize religion and nationalism against the Soviets.